Hello guys, this is Fallout God, and in today's video we're going to be, basically installing a roof rack on the shell of the Rancher 2. So for the purpose of this video, I've taken the roof rack off my Ranger 2, which is my main one, and we're going to use that as a quick demonstration purpose of this video. So let's crack on. So what we do first is we line it all up. I like to use the pin, the holes that we use for the body pins as a guideline. So we just line her up like that. Again, it's going to be, might be a tad difficult with this one because, there we go. Put that, there we go. And next you mark with a marker. Two. What did he even... It's very important that you don't let the roof rack stay still while you do this. Now then. And I don't know if you can see those or not. But so just mark them up. Next, just ever so slowly not too fast or too slow. Slowly apply pressure. Whoa. 2. Oh. Oh God, I can't even see that one. Again, yeah, it's going to be a bit difficult, so yeah, can't risk cracking that shell. I know we can repair the shell, but that defies the point of the object, doesn't it? We're doing more damage than we are complicating it, so slowly get that in there. May take a bit of time, but then again, it's all part. You're getting a bit of fun doing it, and you're actually making something good for your RC. So you know, good. The back should be a bit easier than the front. Extreme careful as well, so don't injure yourself while doing this, because the trip to the ER may be a bit hard to explain. Once you've done your holes, get your rack. Sounds very medieval, doesn't it? The rack. So again, there are two ways you could do this. You can use screws, but I prefer to use cable ties because again, they're a cheap replacement. Very easy to come by as well, so just get a load of cable ties. There we go. Again, just thread it in from the bottom. Thread it in from the bottom. Get your rack down through that. Oh. There's always a fun bit with cable ties on here. Just push that through. Tighten that up. There we go. And what I like to do, I like to get corner to corner, so you're guaranteed to get it on then, if you know what I mean. Like, so what we'll do then, we'll do the same thing. Push it through like that. Thread it through. Oh. Whoop, oh god. Don't you go through that hole, you little pain. Again. So as you can see, it's actually on now, and yeah. Then you get your third one. Just go all the way around each two holes you drilled. Straight in there. And also, while I'm doing this, I just want to, again, I know I keep saying it, but I really do mean it. I just want to thank everyone for the support that you're giving me. I really do appreciate it. All the likes, comments, even subscribing. I really do appreciate it. It does mean a lot to me. As I said, I am sort of new to YouTube, so but I have got my, I know it was meant to go out a while ago, but my 100 subscribers special video, I've purchased something extremely special for it. So there with the reef rack secured on, as you can see. Take a pair of scissors and just cut the loose. Wow, that's not cutting anything, is it? I'll try a different pair. There we go. Just take all them off. Basically, there we go. Maybe a bit hard to see with the blue colour and all that, but yeah. The inside as well, just 4 cable ties holding it on. So let's actually put the main shell back on and see what it looks like. The little tip for your storage as well, if you do store your FTX like mine, put the body pins back into the actual supports, because then again you won't lose them, will you? There we go. Let me just get that on. Again, why are these back ones always a pain to get on, eh? Just get a pin in there anyway. There we go. And there we go, guys. Roof rack attached and ready for use. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you soon for my 100 subscribers special, so stay tuned for that, and once again, carry on, good RCN.